welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about Graduate Aptitude Test for Biotechnology, that is GAT-B. So as we all know that biotechnology is a technology that utilizes biological systems, living organisms to create different products. It all started with brewing and baking of breads, then the production of insulin, and currently it has reached a successful treatment of cancer-like diseases, and still the field is growing enormously in various aspects like agriculture, pharmaceuticals, food and dairy products, medicinal therapies, and genetics. Biotechnology is a multidisciplinary area on the educational scene, and programs have been developed to meet the growing demand for trained manpower for any meaningful biotechnological activity in the country. This program is designed to expose the student to methodology, basics and advances of various areas of biotechnology including health, industry, agriculture and medicine. It will be a series of videos starting from basics of GAT-B, syllabus paper pattern to different courses offered at different institute. So let's start. The Graduate Aptitude Test for Biotechnology. Previously, the exam was called as Combined Entrance Examination for Biotechnology CEEB taken by JNU. Now it is conducted by the Regional Center for Biotechnology on the behalf of Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. The candidate will be given a GAT-B rank based on which they may apply to various DBT supported PG program in participating institutes. The most amazing part of the program is that it provides 1221 seats in different 62 courses. The courses involved are Masters in Biotechnology, Masters in Marine Biotechnology, Masters in Molecular and Human Genetics, Masters in Bioinformatics, Masters in Biotechnology and Molecular Biology, Masters in Medical Biotechnology, Masters in Bioresources Biotechnology, Masters in Agricultural Biotechnology, MTech in Biotechnology, Food Biotechnology, Computational Biotechnology, Pharmaceutical Biotechnology, Bioprocess Technology, Industrial Biotechnology, Marine Biotechnology, and Biotechnology and Biochemical Engineering. Lastly, it also provides Masters in Veterinary Sciences with the Animal Biotechnology specialization. I will be discussing about each and every course mentioned here and the institute which will be offering a seat under DBT program one by one in my upcoming video. Let's talk about fellowship. Every candidate admitting through this program will be getting a fellowship. Masters in Biotechnology and Allied Area student will be getting 5,000 per month of fellowship. Masters in Agricultural Biotechnology student will be getting 7,500 per month of fellowship. Masters in MTech and Masters in Veterinary Sciences student will be getting a 12,000 per month of fellowship. There is a huge list of the participating institute which I will be discussing in my upcoming video. Let's talk about some important aspects. Reservation policy. As per the Government of India norms, merit list on India category-wise merit list of student appearing in the examination will be drawn. Based on the GAT-B rank, the participating institutes may conduct admission and generate their own waiting list. Mode of application is online. General and OBC candidate have to pay 1,000 rupees for application, and other category will have to pay 500 for their application. Let's talk about examination. It is an online test of 180 minutes. Syllabus and paper pattern. The paper will consist of two parts, Part A and Part B. Part A will have 60 compulsory questions from mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology of 11th, 12th level. Correct answer will be getting +1 marks and there will be negative marking of half. Part B consists of 100 questions from which 60 to be attempted. Its syllabus will be Biology, Life Sciences, Biotechnology and Allied Areas of Bachelor's level. Correct answer will be getting +3 mark and there will be a negative marking of 1. Let's discuss about syllabus. Part A doesn't have any specified syllabus, but Part B has biomolecules, bioenergetics, immunology, microbial biology, molecular biology, cell biology, genetics, bioinformatics, engineering principle of bioprocessing, tissue culture and its application, and RDT. I would like to request you all to visit the website and check a detailed syllabus there. I hope you liked my video. Share with your needy friends, and please like, share, subscribe my channel and comment below if you have any question or any doubt. And stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you.